Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Hollingsworth back for our lesson number 2 of our Phase 3 phonics sounds. So before we start looking at the new sound for today, I'm going to share my screen just to take you through the activity that we looked at yesterday and just check that you've got on with that okay. So our first picture is of a ship. So I'm going to write this time on a whiteboard. So we've got the first, our diagraph that we looked at yesterday at the beginning. Ship. Okay, ship. Hopefully you got that. The next one, did you get it? There we go. Fish. And our last one, what's the last picture? Yeah, you got it. It is a shell. Okay, well done. Hopefully you got all of those. So let's start today's lesson. I'll just go back to our slides for today. So we're on lesson 2. We're going to start with our flashcards as always. So we've got the sounds that we looked at yesterday, the new one that we looked at yesterday, and then another new one in at the end. So let me just put myself on full screen so you can see the flashcards. Here we go. J. V. X. Y. Z. Qu. W. Sh. Ch. Okay. I'm going to show them up to the screen again, but this time you're going to do them on your own. Are you ready? I've got them up the right way this time. Hopefully you did that nice and quick. Did you see how I'm getting quicker with those to test us, to challenge us? We should be able to do that quicker and quicker each time. So let's have a look what we're going to be focusing on today. You might have guessed it because you might have seen it there on the last flashcard. We're going to be looking at the ch sound today. Can you say that? Ch. Ch. Well done. Okay, as always, we're going to have a go at writing it first. Remember, it's a digraph, so we need to look out for 2 letters that make that sound. And today, rather than writing it really messily on the screen, I'll use my whiteboard. So we need to remember which one goes first. Ch. It's a curly k. And then we need a okay. Ch. Can you have a go at writing that as well? Ch. Curly k and your ch. Have a go at writing that digraph. Done. Now, just like we did yesterday, can you think of anything around the room or maybe outside or words that you're already familiar with that use the ch sound. We might hear it at the start of the word. We might hear it at the end of the word. Pause the video and have a little think. Okay, we're going to have a look at some flashcards using the digraph. And I've got some words on flashcards here. Just like yesterday, we've got the sound buttons on them as well. So we'll sound them out and then we'll have a go at blending them back together. Okay, our first one. Chop, chop. Chin, chin. Chug, chug. Check, check. Such, such. So that one we've got the ch at the end as well, haven't we? Chip, chip. Chill. I'm going to chill out today. Much, much. Rich, rich. And last one, a longer one. We might decide that we want to chunk this word up a little bit. So we might recognise this part here and have a go at that first, then that part, and then put them together. So we've got ch, ick, chick, n, chick, n, chicken. Did you get that one? Okay, so I'm going to shuffle them up again. I'm going to show them to the screen, give you a couple of seconds, see if you can say it before I do. Are we ready? Rich. Check. Chug, like a train chugs out of the tracks, out of the station, not out of the tracks, hopefully. Remember that longer one? Chicken. Chop. Chin. Much. Chill. Chip. And the last one, such. It is such a lovely sunny day today. Hopefully you got those. Okay, let's go back to our slides. So we're going to look at some words here and we're going to try and add the sound buttons to help you to read the words. And then I'd like you to decide if you think they are real or nonsense words. Okay, so let's see if you can pause the video, have a go at adding the sound buttons. Some of those have got the sh sound that we learnt yesterday as well. So we're looking at words with the sh sound and also the new sound for today, ch. So maybe see first of all if you can find the sound buttons for ch and sh, underline those. And then the rest should all be phony, so they'll just need dots and one letter that make one sound. Okay, pause the video, have a go at writing out the sound buttons, see if you can read those words and decide if they're real or nonsense words. Okay, let's have a look at these together. So the first one, sh, lish. What do we think? Never heard that word before. It sounds similar to other words like dish and fish, but not lish. So we're going to put a big next to that one. That's a nonsense word. What about the next one? Did you get this one? Ch, it, p, chip. Oh, definitely. Chips are one of my favourite things to eat. This one, r, I, ch, rich. Oh yes, we'd all like to be nice and rich, wouldn't we? And down here, we go to ch, I. Oh, I did say the rest were just dots, didn't I? But this one we need a dash to make the long all sound. Ch, I, or chill. Yeah, that was one of the ones on our flashcards, wasn't it? That's a real word. And now we've got ch, I, g. Did you manage to get that one? Chig. Is that a real word? Chig? No, I've never heard that before. Chig. And this one, f, I, ch, fitch. That doesn't sound right either. Yep, that's a nonsense word. Well done if you're getting these. Down here, we've got ch, much. Oh yes, I like chips very much. I mean, that's definitely a real word. We've got itch, niche. Oh no, I might have a bit of an itch, but I haven't got any niche. No. And then we've got shop. Yeah, we go to the shops, don't we, all the time to buy our things. And down here we've got fish. That's a real word, isn't it? I've got some pets, fish pets. And I also like to eat fish and chips. Chim. No, we've got chins, haven't we? But not chim. That one's a nonsense word. And then with the last one, fitch. No, that's definitely a nonsense word. Hopefully you got all of those. You got the sound buttons correct on those. Hopefully they've really helped you to read the words. And then did you get the real and the nonsense words right? Hope so. Well done. Right, now moving on to this one. We're going to have a go like we did yesterday at reading some sentences, okay? Now this one we can spot straight away. It's a question. It's going to ask us a question. Okay, let's go through, put the sound buttons on, and then put the words back together to read the sentence. I'll do that with all three, and then I'm going to get rid of the sound buttons and you can have a go at reading these at home. Are we ready? It, is, it, fish, and, bag, off, chips. Is it a fish and a bag of chips? Oh, I'd hope so. That would be a nice dinner, wouldn't it? Is it a fish and a bag of chips? Right, the next sentence starts off with one of our tricky words, doesn't it? It's this part that's the tricky part. The, rich, man, had, big, chin. The rich man had a big chin. Oh, well, you can't have everything, can you? Let's try the last one. Again, our tricky word to start the sentence. The, this part that's tricky. The, do you remember we chunked that word up, didn't we? ch, chick, n, chicken, g, got, a, ch, oh, chill. The chicken got a chill. We all get that, don't we? Especially in the winter at the moment. Right, I'm going to rub those sound buttons out now so that you can have a go at home at reading them. So pause the video, have a go at reading those sentences. Okay, and that leads us to our activity that I'd like you to have a go at home. So here we've got lots of pictures. I just need you to look at the pictures, say the word aloud to yourself, and just listen to how you say that word. Does it have the ch sound in it? So think of, maybe you can write them down, or you can put a tick next to the ones that have the ch sound in. Once you have done that, I would like you to have a go at writing some of the words. Now, some of them are quite tricky using digraphs that we've not looked at yet in our Phase 3 lessons. So stick with the ones that you think you'd be able to have a go at writing down, maybe some that have come up in our lesson today. So for example, if I look at the very first picture, say that word aloud, cherries, cherries. Can we hear the ch sound? Yep. So that's a good one, cherries. We can hear the ch sound. This is a picture of a pear, pear. Can't hear the ch sound in that one. So go through the pictures, say the words to yourselves, which ones have the ch sound in, and then see if you can have a go at writing any of those. And you can send your written words into your teacher on Class Dojo. And then today, if you feel like doing a little bit more, you can go to Picnic on Pluto, which has got our favourite characters, Ob and Bob. We can decide using the Phase 3 words whether they, and the ch sounds, if you select those, you can decide whether they are real words, and that means they go into Bob's mouth for him to eat up. If they are nonsense words, you put them in Ob's mouth for him to go, bleh. Do you remember this game at school? We like this one. So have lots of fun playing those, and we'll go through that activity tomorrow. Good luck, see you then.